Ani Buju band members, today is Wednesday, January 25th. We currently have one report of a new COVID-19 positive case on District 1, including District 2A. So that number is at 414. District 2, 66, no new cases. District 3, 90, no new cases. Health and Human Services still has COVID-19 home test kits. If you want one, please stop by the main clinic to pick up the test. Every month, the Mille Diabetes Program has sessions and workshops about diabetes self-management. So on Thursday, January 26th, which is tomorrow, the dietitian will be at the Mille Center from 10 a.m. to noon, and the topic is, what can I eat? So if you are free from 10 to noon, stop over. Also at the Mille Center from 6 p.m. to 8 p.m., there is the District 3 Wellbriety Feast. This will be a potluck dinner, drum and dance, door prizes, and much more. So busy over at the Mille Center today. We are asking everyone to please update your address with the enrollments office. And this is for all band members. Even if you think your address is current, for instance, with the OMB office, please make sure it's also current with the enrollments office. And you can download a change of address form from the band's website. Just search for the Office of Management and Budget when you are on your homepage. And if you were able to attend the State of the Band, you may have picked up a calendar, and also the Ojibwe and Ojibwe presents the photos that tell the story of 2022. So if you're interested and you want to check it out, head to the YouTube, search for Mille Band of Ojibwe, and you will see many of the photos on the video link. Also, the Minnesota DNR on Saturday, February 11th at 9 a.m., there will be a snowmobile safety field day. You must be at least 11 years or older and completed the online course to be able to take this course. So it's a two-part course. You do some online, and then you'll do the remainder of it on February 11th. And if you're interested in doing that, please complete your voucher. And if you're interested in attending the February 11th, please complete the course online and bring your completion voucher to class. And Brenda Buck, 763-350-2891, if you have any questions. And as always, information and flyers are on Facebook. So yesterday, I started my all band member community meetings, and so we had two of them. We met in District 1 in the morning from 10 to noon, and we met in District 3 from 3 to 5 p.m. yesterday. The topic is enrollments. There's going to be lots of discussion about enrollments, and the goal of the Office of the Chief Executive is to go out to talk to as many band members as possible and to do a small education if you're not aware about the election process, and also the election topic that will be held at the Minnesota Chippewa Tribe quarterly meetings, which are going to be held in Black Bear subcommittee meetings on Thursday and the TC meeting on Friday. And so you can attend the meetings. We had excellent turnout at both meetings, and we are also going to schedule the same meeting for District 2 in McGregor and Isle, and also down in the urban area. As I stated before, it doesn't matter which district you reside in, you are welcome at any and all of the meetings. We will have an update of comments and questions that were asked at our meeting, and it will be on my Facebook page. So please, if you're interested, please go to the Facebook Chief Executive and get the update. A lot of excellent comments and questions. Also, if you are interested in attending the Minnesota Chippewa Tribe meeting, and the TC meeting is scheduled to begin at 8:30. And you can go on the Minnesota Chippewa Tribe's webpage and attend the Zoom meeting for that. There's going to be a community search for Dylan James Sam Sr., and that will be February 9th, 2023. They are asking volunteers to meet at the District 1 Old Community Center at 10 a.m. The family is asking for volunteers to help with the search. With that, I'd like to say good day, and I will talk to you soon. Miigwech.